losing their hair, and the reason will shock you.
Am I going bald? Why can you see my head? Why can you see my pointy head?
New at 11, is hair loss another...
Actress Alyssa Milano posted this video showing herself pulling out hair.
Am I going bald?
By the handful.
This is my hair loss.
More medical experts are starting to see something that affects people's physical appearance, hair loss.
Why
The
can you
phenomenon
see
is getting attention from medical experts
my
now.
pointy
Challenge
head?
is they can't just brush over hair loss. It's called Collagen effluvium.
Let's dive into this. Believe it or not, millions of women are noticing hair loss. Could it be stress? Could it be COVID? I was watching TikTok the other day and I came across a girl who goes by the name of Stash. And I couldn't believe it. She couldn't believe it. She looked at herself and she could see the top of her head. She called it pointy. Check out her clip.
I just went to make a video. Do you guys see what I see? Someone help me. I think I'm gonna, oh, okay.
Now let's check out the comments section. Women are freaking out about this. When Stash posted this, the comments section blew up. Nurses, moms, and everyday women shared their hair loss struggles, and it's not just aging. Stash is young. Studies have found that stress, especially from things like illness or emotional strain, can seriously affect hair health. According to studies done by professionals, they have found that COVID causing hair loss is most likely due to stress. So try to stay cool and calm in this brave new world.
This is what Lisa Gatling of York County started to see on a daily basis 2 months after she got sick with COVID-19 last July.
This is collagen and you can put it in your coffee. That's what I do every morning. You just stir it right in and it dissolves right into your coffee. You can't even taste it. I throw in a dollop of frozen whipped cream on top. Why do you want to take supplements and collagen? Because you don't want to just treat yourself from the outside, such as with this serum that you add to your scalp or the shampoo and conditioner. You want to treat yourself from the inside. You want to stay active, you want to stay healthy, you want to eat right. If you're not eating right, well, this can hurt. I eat right and I take these supplements. Collagen. Another thing that helps me to keep my hair healthy and the ends from not breaking is to only wash it every 3 or 4 days. Over the past year or two, I've been using a very gentle shampoo. There will likely be no visible change in the first month, so keep at it. Most people will see a reduction in hair shedding after 6 to 8 weeks. At the 3 to 6 month mark, it may become noticeable that hair loss has slowed, stopped, or in some cases even reversed. Most people will notice improvement in hair growth. This isn't just for women people. This is for men too. You are expected to have noticeably thicker, shinier, and healthier hair. Most people notice that their excessive hair shedding has completely stopped and see a significant improvement in hair growth. Thanks so much for watching. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe.